Hello, I am Anthony Vandermute. Professionally, I'm a computer programmer who works in artificial intelligence. Recently, I got a paper published in Biosystems where I proposed a new information-based modality for the treatment of cancer. The basic insight is that instead of physically manipulating a cancer tumor through chemotherapy or immunotherapy, it may be possible to tell the cancer to self-destruct. I based this idea on a paper I had published in the Journal of Theoretical Biology on structure, encoding, and DNA. I hypothesized that the bulk of the genome, including transposons and long non-coding DNA, encodes the detailed three-dimensional structure of animals and plants. This coding is a digital representation of the fine structure that works in tandem with the gross analog structure of the morphogens. This requires that this structure information is passed between cells so they know where they fit in. The structure information does two things. First, it will command some cells to self-destruct to form the body part layout. Second, it will control the gene regulatory network of the cells that remain so that they will function properly. This information is probably passed between neighboring cells in the form of exosomes, capsules that contain transposons and long non-coding sequences. This should also apply to cancer tumors too, and this is actually what happens. Therefore, we can develop a new way of treating cancers. Find out which code sequence commands the cells to go into apoptosis and flood the tumor with artificially created exosomes containing this command. Being a computer person, it was natural for me to think of a cancer treatment based on information processing instead of physical manipulation. This is similar to the concept of a vaccination, which passes information to the immune system. But my proposal is to send commands to the tumor directly. This modality will require a lot of analysis of intercellular communications, since the commands are unique to each location in the body. But I expect that if a large enough library of commands is collected and stored, then using techniques from machine learning, we will be able to individually tailor commands to a tumor that will affect it and leave the rest of the body alone. For more information, read my paper entitled A Proposed Information-Based Modality for the Treatment of Cancer. It was published in the January issue of Biosystems in 2022.